Ateneo Lady Eagle.
Z, I love you.
Oh my gosh, yun na guys.
Liza Valdez, Z.
This is Michelle Gumabaw's avid fan.
Yes.
I'm Gretchen Ho, A Nakad.
I'm Zihar Vash's very avid fan. I still love
Wala yung feel ka Ingrid's fan eh, nasa Bacau, tulog.
Tamad po kasi siya mag-training.
Oo, si name Janine Vidal. Follow at Janine Vidal on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, Jeremy.
Hindi kayo na may Twitter.
Follow me on Twitter, Premium20.
Instagram, follow me.
Follow me on Facebook and add me in Twitter.
Follow me on Facebook.
Oh, baliktad nga eh. Hindi makagets.
Oh, na Fear the Green. Buisit. Okay, ano gusto niyo sabihin? Mensahe, guys.
I would like to tell, let's speak English.
We would like
Happy viewing sa mga bakla sa kanto.
Ano mo ka ba, Mike?
Hello
po sa mga nagpa-foundation.
Seriously guys.
Okay.
To Coach Roger and to other coaches who will see this video,
Please recruit us kasi
please, no, please notice us.
because we're serious about this and maybe in the first part of
Just
this
us three.
video is so I don't know. It's not serious but now
Yes.
we're serious about
Who's your
this.
favorite athlete?
Zihar Vasho, John
Cena.
Cena.
No, not John Cena. Gretchen Ho.
John Cena.
I love
Oy,
Gretchen.
favorite athlete, totoo. Ako si Zihar Vasho, favorite ko talaga siya.
Ako, first si Gretchen Ho, then now si Jem Ferrer.
Ako si Mrs. Gumabaw.
Sino yun?
Sino?
Si Mrs. Gumabaw. O si
Akala ko
Gumabaw.
patinista.
Sorry.
Basta po si Michelle Gumabaw, favorite niya. Ikaw?
Liza Valdez.
Okay, kamukha mo yung
Athletes.
ano po, Zihar Vasho, I love you so much.
What's your message to Zir?
I like your jumps.
Landi ni ganun.
Balang araw, gusto maging katulad mo kasi, para sa akin, ikaw yung pinakamagaling.
Iiyak
Sa
na
lahat.
yan!
Tsaka
Tears of cry. Ano daw?
ang sabi?
Tears of cry.
Yun, para sa akin, the best ka kahit.
May isang pangarap.
Angeline Quinto, Angeline ko, ikaw na.
Hindi, Angeline Pinto.
Okay, ikaw naman, anong message mo sa kanina?
Kay Gretchen.
Jem Ferrer, the best ka po.
Oo. Actually,
Kayo na nagsalita para sa akin.
no. Seriously. I'm speaking English, guys, because Atenista speaks English.
Yeah.
Yes.
But Atenemista is
We're from Atheneum. Our school is Atheneum.
Atheneum Amken School.
Because the daughter of the owner of this Atheneum studied in Atheneum.
Yes, Miss D. Ay, ma'am.
She studied in Ateneo, no?
Sana
Yes,
po
AB
sa
Literature
English.
Yeah, sa fourth year teacher pa rin namin kayo.
Okay, so doon na tayo sa fans. Sige na. Sino favorite athlete mo? And
Gretchen
what's your
Ho
message?
and Jem Ferrer. I would like to tell Gretchen Ho that I like your running spikes and
And
your
you're so white.
You're so no, you're so
Kind.
beautiful. You're kind, you're humble, you're everything. And Jem Ferrer,
Follow her, please.
follow me on Twitter, please. I love you.
Jem Ferrer.
Okay, you favorite athlete and
I love you, Ay Nakachi. Sobra gwapo mo.
Are you stupid or something?
Something.
game.
Hi, Michelle Gumabaw, and I'm avid fan. Spell avid.
Abid.
Avid.
Avengers. Avengers.
Avengers.
I'm avid fan. Okay, Epal ka, Mika.
Okay, favorite athlete. Ba't si Gumabot? Anong message mo para sa kanya?
At Michelle Gumabaw. Gumabaw
At
Michelle pala.
At Gumabaw Michelle, thank you sa pag-tweet. You're so nice. So much. So much money, pakiyaw lang ang peg.
Hi, Jameson Ho.
Ay,
Justin Tech, hello!
Hi, Tommy. Hi, Tommy. Hi, Rain Reyes. Hi, everything. Hi, everyone.
Okay, ikaw, last but not the least.
hello.
Hi,
Favorite
AJ
athlete?
Pareha.
Favorite athlete, syempre, Eliza Valdez.
What's your message?
Number one message is...
Number one.
Number one message.
Number three.
What's your message?
Ito yun. Una-una, I love your smile. Saka...
Bawal Tagalog.
Ganun. I love your smile. Syempre, I love your smile.
Oh, yun lang daw. I love
Okay.
your smile.
Grabe!
Joke lang.
We're serious about this.
Teka, tapos.
Oy, mamaya na.
Sige na. We're serious about this, please. If ever you have time, please come and see.
Ateneum Amcan School
and-
Volleyball Hatties.
Volleyball?
Hatties and Natties.
Varsity Hatties.
Yes.
And nothing
Ay,
new.
Z, I love you.
Anyway, please see Jemai Madamian's video, the Fab 3 videos, and
Yeah,
our
Fab.
videos, everyone's video on YouTube.
Okay, all videos in the
No,
world.
Kiranium 7 on YouTube. Please watch the videos.
Also watch his scandal.
Oh,
No, it's not a scandal. It's all about you guys. How we
Oh,
idolize-
Easy Belayo, where are you going?
walk out, walk out.
No. I'm starting to play volleyball.
No, wait.
Okay, papakitaan namin kayo mga simpleng palo lang. Simple.
Simpleng palok lang.
Simpleng palo lang,
Paloan.
pero
Simple
siguraduhin
palo.
namin pag nirecruit
Coach
niyo po kami,
Ramit, ano?
mag-i-improve po kami sobrang.
Mas magaling pa to kay Mika Irene Reyes.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi, mas
Mas magaling si Mika.
Ay!
Mika sana ako.
Mika! My name is Mika. Mika.
Ano, Kira?
Demi.
Easy.
Hi, Fab 4. Kulang kami isa, sorry.
Oh, tinamad din.
Tinamad.
Actually, 6 kami. Tinamad din yung isa.
Oh,
Cristiano
six naman naglalaro
Bagnas, Janine Vidal.
Gosh, yung nga 5 lang, di ba? Kasama ba si Dendel sa Z, I love you, please.
Z, I love you too.
We always support you on Tuesday. We will go
I
there.
love your hippie
We'll wear the
band, Z.
Ateneo. We'll wear
And
the
your
Ateneo
braces.
t-shirt.
Yung referee sa UAP, I love you.
Please support Ateneo.
Manunod kami sa Tuesday.
Yes. Mga 5 pa lang na umaga.
Sana
nandun
wala
na kami.
Sana wala ng bagyo bukas.
Z, love you.
I love you, Z. Tsaka please vote nga pala, Z, as MVP.
For the Shakey's V League,
No,
please,
matchpoint.ph.
Si Bowley na eh.
Buwali.
Boli.
Bowley.
Anong Bowley?
Bowley. Sorry, Bowley. No, I want their version. Tsaka,
Nga pala, Perps.
good luck. Ay,
Kahit
joke lang.
wala na si Nao dyan.
Hi, Gira Laneta. For watching.
Osh! Hi, Osh. Osh, di ba pangalan na? Osh, Kosh. Ay, we always wear,
Nga pala, bili kayo ng kape barako kay Mika sa mga ko.
Bili din kayo party night.
Anyway.
Joke lang po. Basta, support Ateneo lang and we'll always be here for you.
Yuck. Serious.
155.
Are you stupid or something?
Something. Something.
Basta, I love Z.
I love A, Apple, Nakache.
I love Michelle Gumabaw.
Michelle.
Gretchen, ha?
Guzi! Hindi ko magkasama yun.
I love Cheche.
Hi, May Tajima at May Tajima.
Sino yung Cheche?
Phil.
Si Phil. Oh.
Hi, Phil. Kung may...
Ay, Ella Jesus.
Bea Tan, hello!
Ella Jesus, kapag naging atin sa nakaturuan mo tumalon.
Hi, Elevator. And,
Um,
nga pala, hi, South Ramos. Hi, Met Zapanta. Hi, my friends.
Depante, hi.
Jameson Ho. Thanks for the tea.
Ay, ang kapal. You're so guwapo. Ay, ang kapal. Sino si Jason mo?
Jameson.
Jason. Pati si Gretchen. Hi, Marco Gumabaw.
Hi, Robby Dominguez!
Dominguez.
Dominguez!